What is her name or his name?
His name is Casper.
Casper.
He's very handsome.
What is your obsession with Chihuahuas?
They are cute.
I love them. They're so cute. My son has one. My husband has one.
I have one.
You do?
Mine hates me.
Oh,
Mine loves my wife, but it hates me.
yeah, Chihuahuas can be naturally aggressive. It's true.
I'm afraid of mine.
What is your name?
My name's Pam.
What are you guys going to do tonight?
We're gonna sing for you. Casper's a singing dog.
Oh.
Are you serious?
How did you figure out that he could sing?
Well, as a puppy, he had no voice. He would squeak and squawk. The weirdest little noises would come out of him. And then one day, like a year later, I was playing guitar and singing, and all of a sudden this noise came out of him, and
So he started to sing.
Yes.
How long you guys been doing this together?
So we've only sang at a talent show at work.
Wow.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
I've always said if you could find a dog that could sing, you'd make a fortune.
Okay, Casper, so I'm gonna take the verses as usual. You will come in on the chorus, only the chorus, understood? Okay, hit it.
He's a cute dog.
When I was young, I never needed anyone. And making love was just for fun. Those days